Welcome to EEZBOOK. This guide provides step-by-step instructions on how to update the working year for the users. If the user is logged in, user can select Go to EEZBOOK. To select Control Panel. To select Setup. System Setups. Select User Management. To select User Group. The desktop user group management will display all added user groups, along with their current active and inactive status. To select Add New User Group, please enter the name for the new user group. To select Create Group, a new user group has been added to the list of user groups. Now, users can type the name of the newly added user group in the search bar. If a user wants to change the name of the user group, they should select the Edit tab. Edit or retype the bar to change user group name. To select the Update username. To select the new user group status, or user can change status as per his requirement.